On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pants full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. But a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto.
Let's go. What's going on? Look, I still got the Rudolph going on. How's it going? Otter gang. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter gang. What's going on, everybody? You guys are all talking about the Tyson fight. Is that tomorrow? It's Friday, right? It's the 15th. Is that right? On Netflix. Let me know where I can watch that. That's going to be incredible. And if you think Jake's gonna win, then you're gonna get banned by Tony. You're gonna get banned by Tony. How we all doing, man? Yesterday, oh my God, what a day to take off, eh? Like, I don't know. What's interesting enough is that next month, I'm available to stream on Wednesdays. So I will be 3 out of 4 Wednesdays I'll be able to stream in the morning. So you guys are going to get more Alexo crypto, which means we can get the subscribers to 10,000 by January. We'll go end of January. Okay, end of January. If we get 10,000 subscribers, I will shave my beard. I will shave my beard. I haven't shaved my beard in 6 years. 6 years. So it's your responsibility to drive traffic. I'm not going to ask anybody to subscribe anymore because I don't want to shave my beard. Good morning to everybody in here. Mad love to everybody. Thank you guys for being here. Let's get into the charts. Let's get into what's going on here. My guys. My gals, you guys are incredible. Thank you guys so much for being here. Is my sound is working? I just wanted to double check here. Just wanted to double check. How we all doing? Look at this thing. This thing, I mean, I take one day off and it does the Oompa Loompa, man. It goes. This was nuts yesterday, guys. My God. I mean, I scalped this thing like 3 or 4 times, but nothing substantial. Like I didn't catch any bottoms or tops. I was like $200 this way, $200, $200, lost $100, $200, $200. Like I made probably one of my best trading days individually yesterday. I was on a scalping frenzy. You know when you just get the like you're doing the Mark Douglas trading in the zone? That was very much me yesterday. So hopefully you guys did well. If not, work on that together. We did go over a little bit of scalping strategy in our premium section with everybody. But my God. Put your chat. Why does it keep going to top chat? Why does it keep going to top chat? Thank you. Good morning to Alexandra G. Joni Stone Cipher. Good morning to you. Hopefully you're having a wonderful, wonderful morning. God bless you guys. Thank you for being here early and ready to go. Woti, good morning to you. Super ofertas. Good morning. Super offers. Thank you for everything. Have a great day. You too, man. You too. I hope you're having a great day. WF Motivation, what's going on, man? Hope you're having a great day as well. Retro Mike Tech with all the emojis. Let's go. Let's see some RMTs in the chat. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Woohoo! Forget about it. Let's get after it relentlessly. I always look forward to that. I always do. That is that one kind of makes my morning. Thank you so much for motivating us. Wix Wife Fine 89. We need a Wix Wife emoji. I don't know. Someone's gonna get eliminated here. Look at all these otters. Let's go, Jen Ceruleus. Good morning to you, Retro Mike Tech. Let's go, Quasim. Awesome morning, everyone. What's going on? Looks like we're getting a little bit of a rollover. Now, I was thinking of doing like a degen trade at the beginning of every stream. So I've loaded up BloFin with like $2,000, and I'm thinking we just do like a degen trade. We'll start this on Monday, so we'll pull up the BloFin. We'll do a degen trade on like Pepe. We'll do like a poll. We'll vote on what we should trade, and then we'll make a decision long or short. I think that's in the works. Okay, that's in the works. I'm thinking about starting that. So we'll do a degen trade alongside with trading Bitcoin, and then we'll close it at the end of the day. And look, I'm going to put some money on these things. So we'll see how that goes. We'll see how easy it is to just press buy. Maybe that will be our trick of the day. Everybody talking about the Tyson in round one. Let's go. Retro Mike Tech Quasim, good morning to you. Jeffrey Stone Cipher, Aaron, good morning to you. Hopefully you're doing well. I'm looking for Bitcoin to come down right now into this VWAP. We'll see if we do get it. It has rolled over here. We do have a little bit of a break of structure coming down in here. So we're coming down, breaking structure, rolling over right now, coming for this little low in here. If we lose this low here, I would expect us to come a little bit lower. I'm looking over here somewhere around 90,500. We'll see if we do come down within this area down in here, retesting the previous highs, right? So we'll see how it goes. But right now, no trade, just waiting for Bitcoin to kind of do its thing. As you can see, it's very much like chop, chop, chop. And what we want to wait is for this kind of move. We want to wait where we get the big swing failure pattern, the whoop, and the bullish divergence, and then the pop, right? We want that one. So if we can get a sweep down below into this region down below here, that would be ideal. That's kind of what I'm looking for this morning. We'll see if we get it. I am long biased for today. We do have PPI where they're talking about PPs today on the interwebs, so we got to be careful. Around 9:30 they're talking about PPs. We got PPI here month over month coming out at 9:30. So be careful. You know, the government, when they're talking about PPs, you got to be very cautious. Proceed with caution. So we'll be very careful about that PP talk. Oh my God, it's RTM, my idol. Let's go, Chadwick's Racing. What's going on? Massey, good morning to you, man. Mashed potato. Yeah, I like that, man. You guys are funny. Good morning to you, Marky Mark, the Funky Dutch. What's going on? Let's see some clogs in the chat for you, Mark Dutch. Good morning, man. Wignes Warren, good morning to you as well. Look at this push down. We're getting a push down coming into this possible order block down below here. We'll see if it does want to have a nice reaction. Liquidity does reside here. We could be looking for a potential long in this area off of VWAP, coming back to retest the highs. However, we do have a nice trend line coming in at the golden pocket here. We might want to be a bit more patient within this range. We'll see how it goes, but something I'm looking at right now. We'll see if it does continue to push down. Okay, let's keep our eyes peeled for the prize. Jeremy Montelius. Montelius, good morning. That is quite an amazing name. Buck, good morning to you guys. Good morning to the Otter family members. God bless you guys. Thank you for being here. Kalut. I don't know how the O exante gu works. Kalat? Kakarot. We'll just call you Kakarot, man. That's way cooler. Darren does things. What's going on? Good morning, my man. How's it going, bro? Good to see you guys as well. Oh, dang. I don't want TA from a toddler. I know, right, Mark? I don't know. Put your live chat on. Thank you, Mark, for reminding me. I don't know why I keep switching from live chat to top chat. I mean, you guys are all top chat anyways, so what the hell is it trying to say? Oh, man. Number go up says Retro Mic Tech. We got a little bit of an SFP in here. Could look to push out of here. I'm not convinced as of yet. Okay. Okay, we got some. Let's get going. Make sure you guys are saying good morning. Not financial advice. First time here. Thank you for being here. Not financial advice. Mad love to you, brother. Hopefully you're having a wonderful morning or afternoon or wherever you're from. Jay Armo, good morning to you as well. Wick's wife, fine, 89. Good morning. Hope you're all having a beautiful day. Good morning, Tamale. Hopefully you're doing all right. It's another day in a beautiful crypto world. Up only seems to be the play, but up and down like a yo-yo yesterday. So let's be cautious here with price coming into a key area that we are looking for right now. Ho-Man, good morning. Good morning, Ho-Man. I love your name. It's great, man. That's great. Ho-Man, what's going on, bro? Good to see you. Football dreams. Let's go. Moondeg. Oh, we're going to trade the Moondeg, eh? So we're going to do like a D-Gen play every morning starting next week. Okay, a D-Gen play. We'll just do it on BloFin, and we'll see how it plays out for the rest of the day, but I think it'll be fun. You guys get to vote on what we trade, and we'll see at the end of it how it's going. I think they're doing something a little bit similar in Piper Academy as well. Dave Digital, like 31 is Dave Digital? Man, that's pretty incredible, man. Thank you guys for coming in here, smashing the like button, saying good morning. That's what it's all about, man. Keep an eye on the ching, ching, ching. Let's go. Blair Stevenson, good morning to you. Hopefully you're having a wonderful morning. Okay. And that's it. Jeet Corp, what's going on, man? Is that a French toasty? Yeah, good morning, man. Crypto City, Blood times Otter, gang morning. Let's go. Crypto Blood peoples in the chat. Good morning, Crypto City. Crypto Mar, good morning to you guys as well. Do we have a moon coming in? Did you just post a moon? Let me see. Do we have a moon coming in? Do we have a moon coming in? 15 days moon coming in. The moon comes in. Oh my God. Friday. We have a full moon Friday. Uh-oh. Oh, we're doing moon math, baby. We got a full moon coming in tomorrow. Not tomorrow. The next day. So Saturday, we're getting a full moon. Full moons typically pump. Okay, look at this one. Oh my God. Look at this one. Dump, pump, dump. Pump, dump. Okay? So, not saying moon math is correct. I'm just saying we need to be aware of it, okay? We got a full moon coming our way. Spooky, baby. Spooky. Let's go. This is going to be a good one, man. Imagine full moon pump straight to 100K. What do we think? Where do we think price is going to go, man? This is what a wild time to be in crypto. 91,000, guys. We are breaking out. Let's see if we do get some retracements today. We're going to do some top-down analysis. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. Hopefully, you're having a wonderful day. Slam Banjo, Michael Cruges, Hotto Crypto. I'm going to say good morning to all you guys after we do a little bit of a top-down analysis. Luke Zaldana, let's go. So looking at Bitcoin, right? We're looking for this thing to come back down into this area right here. We'll see if we do get it. However, a little bit of patience will prevail as we normally do. The daily looking overextended, getting a little bit of toppy action. However, this money is absolutely ridiculous. So anything that comes down does go up. It's 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 a thing. It's a thing. So what I do look for is I do look for these sweeps down below on VWAP, and we seem to be coming down right now. So interesting enough, we'll see if we do want to continue to push. We are only 10% away from $100,000. Woo wee, ooh wee. Let's go. Nothing on these higher term time frames. It's very much overextended up only. We do see money coming out on the 3-day, something to be aware of, but not not something that I'm like looking to trade. The higher term time frames are very much just overextended, and they can remain up there for quite some time. So let's not just like, oh man, this thing's going to come down. It's naive to think after a push up like this of 35% in the last 10 days is going to be anything besides up only. So let's be prepared for that. Okay, going into the 12-hour, what we can see is very simply, and I like this because it's flattening out, so we are getting divergences. If we're going to say that this is divergence, we're allowed to, okay? So because price is going higher and we're coming lower here, right? So we are starting to divert. However, money is slowly creeping out too, so that's something we're keeping an eye on. But there hasn't been any sort of like drastic turn down for money. When there's a drastic turn down for money, yes, we're getting this divergence. Then we can kind of look at this more objectively. But for now, I'm remaining neutral on these higher term time frames. 8 hours, same deal, right? Same deal here, but money is still flat, so nothing I'm really to write home about. Okay, going into the 4-hour, we do have that nice divergence that we put in yesterday. What an insane day! Like literally, a push out on the news. Okay, a push out on the news just to return back to where we started. Okay, that's pretty funny, in my opinion. And then continuation overnight, right? Asia continued overnight, which is quite nice. And, you can see here we are still continuing to put in higher highs and higher lows all the way throughout here on this parabolic run, okay, on this absolute ripper to the upside. So looking strong, continuing to print green dots, continuing to push up. Now, what I've noticed is it's hard to read these higher term time frames. What you can do, though, is get into like a 2-3 hour chart and look to be buying up these dips. Okay, so we're getting a green dot right now on the 3-hour. Money still remains quite nice, but you get into a 2-hour, you start to see when we actually are getting these dips where we can actually press buy and have some success. So that's what I'm looking to do. And the 1 hour I think is the best time frame right now, just because you're getting confluence with this kind of up only trajectory, right? So you can see trigger wave here, trigger wave here, trigger wave here has all played out really nicely, and that's kind of what I'm looking for. So what this tells me right now is that we are a bit overextended. Okay, we have an anchor trigger wave right here, anchor trigger wave, right, which typically pushes price down. Now we have areas in which we have where liquidity resides that we are prepared for if we do roll over. First and foremost, I want to see this trend line hold. We're coming up to VWAP as we speak right now, and we'll see if we do get a reaction over there. Okay, so there's a plan. We'll try to execute the plan. We're favoring longs, obviously, but we want to be very aware that when it's gonna come down like it did yesterday, it comes down absolutely like a rocket ship. Okay, it drops it like it's hot. So we want to be very, very cautious when trying to trade this thing. We want to be taking profits early. We want to be not overstaying our welcome, that kind of deal. This volatility is absolutely insane, but if using good risk management and getting the direction right, we can make a lot of money. Okay, so let's be patient. I made a boat ton of money yesterday, so I am like, when you start getting those winning days and you start stacking winning days, maybe you haven't gotten there yet, and if not, we can help you. We'll get you there. But once you start stacking those winning days, there comes a time where the losing day is coming. You just know it. Like you're on fire. You're kicking ass. You're reading the charts. Look at this thing coming down right now. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Bounce off VWAP. Bounce off VWAP. 90,500. 90,500. SFP the low. Looking right here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Getting me excited already this morning. I'm talking about, you know, when you've been winning so many times that you're bound to lose. Ooh, coming down. We got golden pocket down below us as well. Little reaction on price here. Coming into VWAP as we speak. Come on, Bitcoin. Oh, man. Oh, man. You want to make me trade early. You want to make me trade early. Don't do it to me, Bitcoin. Don't do it to me. Oh, you're faking out the VWAP. He's faking out the VWAP. Going back for a little retest before continuing down. Ooh, come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Let's go. This is why we're here, right? This is why we're here. Make sure you guys are saying good morning this morning or I'll be upset with you, okay? Kent Kuadra, good morning to you. French Toaster, good morning to you. My man, Massey, NW, what's going on? What's going on? Slam Banjo. Mad love to you guys, man. Mad love to you guys. Thank you for being here. Look at all these amazing people, man. Insane. Insane. Hope you're having a beautiful day too, Tamale. John Foster Crypto, good morning to you. Retro Mike Tech, Blair Stevenson, G Corp, Chadwick's Racing, Dave Digital. I saw a question from Dave Digital. 17th. The 17th, we are getting a moon. It's going to be moon math, baby. Do we have a chicken in here? I see Crypto Pollo chickens in here. Make sure you guys are subscribing. We're well on our way. You guys got to subscribe. If you want the beard to go away, you got to subscribe. I mean, that's just... Where's Jerry Lewis to host the meme-a-thon? Yeah, I know. The meme-a-thon is crazy right now. Pepe got listed, and it absolutely plowed through any resistance. Cue that pump it up track. Let's go. Let's go, Massey. Let's go, French Toaster. My man. Retro Mic Check. Question in chat. Can you explain a swing failure pattern? Absolutely. Let's do it. Okay. SFPs are very important. So it's liquidity grabs. It's a very important thing to be able to understand and to be able to spot. Okay. And it's not necessarily something you're trading. It's something that you're aware of that is a liquidity grab that is going to reverse direction in a trade. Okay. So we're going to go over that right now. Okay. So SFP, we're waiting for this trade right now. So an SFP, really, if we're looking at this, and we were talking about this in the premium Discord, if you are new, make sure that you are subscribing. So nothing in here is an SFP. But if you're coming into a key area, okay, and first and foremost, you want to have confluence. You want to have, okay, maybe a tops up here, right? So if we were to SFP this top right here, let's say we have this area marked out on our chart. And we are looking to SFP here. So what we would be looking for is this thing to return back up, right? And get close to the high here and then go boop and then drop immediately, okay? Like literally a little wick, and then you're looking for a higher low, and then you're looking to short that area. And then this will either create a divergence, this will be a volume sweep, and then it will reverse, okay? And you can see SFPs throughout the chart quite easily. So you can see that this is an SFP, this is an SFP. This is probably an SFP on a higher term time scale for this. Okay, this is an SFP. No SFP up here. This is a retrace. This is a fake out. Okay, so when you're looking for this, it's volume. You can see volume comes in here. Let's get rid of this. Let's put on the volume. Boom. Okay. I can see it on the chart because I've seen it so many times. Look at the volume that comes in here. This is to grab everybody who is short or who is long within here. Everybody who's buying this up, their stop loss is typically right here, right? Their stop loss is here. They're looking for a continuation. Boom, they grab them, they're gone, right? And then everybody who thinks they're a genius, who got, you know, long after the SFP. So they get you once, boom, you get long again. Okay? And guess what? They do it again. They do it again, right? So not only do they SFP you once here, they do it twice, right? So what this is doing is everybody who's getting long here, front running this move, they're gonna grab you guys as their stop losses, and then they're gonna tease you so people get long off of this. They're like, oh, SFP, okay, let's get long, and then it comes back and it SFPs you again, grabbing the liquidity from these guys, guaranteeing not only that they're grabbing liquidity there, but they're grabbing liquidity from here. I guess people who took the bounce off of here and this continuation, people are getting long on continuation here, right? So they're not letting everybody benefit from this beautiful sweep of the lows, right? So they're really trying to come back and grab enough liquidity to build enough strength to push the price up while not leaving everybody long in here. They don't want to give you guys easy trades, okay? So that's how I would explain it. Turn on your volume. Your volume will help you to identify these moves, okay? You can see the volume comes in here, the volume comes in here, right? And that will give you the idea that, hey, man, this is a sweep of the lows coming back for liquidity. After you get the sweep, you watch for the sweep, and then you look to jump onto the trend, okay? You don't trade the sweep, you trade the trend. And this would be, your higher low here. You can wait. You can even wait for a break of structure or a flip above VWAP to get long on this move, right? Same with this move. But you got to be paying yourselves early and definitely taking advantage of the trend, okay? So right now, no SFP in here, pushing down into VWAP. No trade as of yet. This is just another higher low for continuation. And that's how I would explain SFP. But you will be able, if you're watching price action, you will visually see the market coming into an area, stalling out, and then just going, and then bouncing, okay? And when you get that, that's when you're like, okay, let's get long, or let's get short. It works the same in the opposite direction, and then down, right? And it makes that noise sometimes too, so you got to be careful who's around you, because some people find that noise funny. And that's how I would explain an SFP. You gotta have fun, man. I've had a day off. Remember, all the banter's back there, Retro Mike Tech. Mad love to you, brother. Hopefully you're having a wonderful day. Thank you for supporting the channel. RMT in the place to be, man. Let's go, let's go, let's go. RS Miller, good morning to you. Mad love. Frenchie. Wayne C, what's going on, man? Hopefully your wife made you a nice sandwich. Inside joke, guys, don't worry. Thanks, Mike. Massey, NW, good morning. Wow, look at all these people. I feel good. Streepo, what's VWAP? Volume weighted average price. Okay, it's one of the most used, I guess, scalping indicators for all of trading. Okay, we do have an explanation somewhere in our resources here. Let's take a look at it. Okay, volume weighted average price right here. Look at that. Look how fast. See, when you have an amazing Discord of like-minded people, you can pull up stuff like that. Volume weighted average price is a popular technical analysis indicator used by traders to determine intraday price trends. Here's a breakdown of VWAP and how it is used. What is VWAP? VWAP is an average price a security has traded at throughout the day. Weighted by volume, it resets at the start of each trading session. It provides insight into both the price trend and the value of a security. The formula for VWAP is, there you go. There's for your math, okay? So it's basically snapping, like here. It's snapping and giving you an average price. Price tends to return to VWAP, bounce off of VWAP, or escapes from VWAP, and then eventually comes back to it, okay? Very useful. We look for support right now, right? Bouncing off of this. No SFP. I would like to see the SFP, and then we go, okay? I think that was the most thorough I've ever been with explaining something because I didn't have to explain it myself. Mad love to you, Streepo. Thank you for being here, my man. John Triangle, what's going on? Good morning to you, man. Hopefully you're doing really well. Tringale. But we call you Triangle because we love you, man. Crypto Caveman, what's going on? Easy C, good morning to you. RS Miller, Good morning to you as well. Crypto Michael. Good morning. Good morning. Make sure you guys are saying good morning, smashing those like buttons. We got 160 people here, 54 likes. I would really appreciate if you do smash those like buttons. We can definitely look to take advantage of this price action together. We're waiting for the long down below here. It just faked us out. We'll see if it does want to continue to pump it. Okay. Mad love to all of you guys. Mike S. Good morning to you. The Koala Gamer, Otter gang. Look at the push we're getting out of this thing, man. Holy smokes, Batman. Higher, low, continuation, push to the upside, coming at us hard and strong right now as we speak. My God, look at this thing. Look at this thing. They don't care about price action. They just want to push it. Push it real good. Okay, looking for a break of structure continuation right now. We have gotten up quite nicely here. Okay, a little bit of a push. Let's see how it goes. A little bit of resistance here. Looking for this thing to continue. Nice break above this high here. Ooh, this price action is absolutely insane. Look at that. Just within seconds, almost a 1% move. This is why you need to lower your leverage, lower your margin, whichever one is better for your trading. And use good risk management, okay? Because this is crazy. That's nuts, man. Look at this thing. Just 3-minute candle, 0.5%, okay? That's why we need to be very cautious with the trades right now, okay? Please and thank you. Please and thank you. I ain't going to beg you, but I'm just saying, please and thank you. Be careful out there, okay? What's going on? Slam Banjo, Koala Gamer, John Woods, good morning to you, you saucy otter. Just trying to do my chores while listening to the beta. We'll say it's beta. Okay. Well, alpha is more like Brewberry. Kyle. Me and Thesis, I think, are more beta. We just press buy and sell and try to help you guys. And if you do want access to the amazing Discord, come in here and hang out. There's a free section. There's also a paid section. It's the cheapest, best friggin' Discord there is, man. I don't care what you say. I mean, you get 4 traders. You get a community of kindness. You get live streams. You get it all. Come and hang out in the Discord, guys. This is where the money is to be made for everyone. Brewberry's on absolute fire lately. I've been giving you guys the charts. I didn't get a Shiba trade yesterday. I wanted the Shiba trade so bad, but we've been giving amazing calls nonetheless for a lot of other things. So we had Injective, BitTensor, a whole bunch of trades that absolutely crushed. And some losses. Losses are part of it, but most of them are wins. That's the thing, is that we manage our risk. We crush it. Kyle given the Ethereum trade from $2,400. I mean, this is crazy. So, come and hang out with us. We would love to have you. The Otter gang. It's the best, cheapest Discord. We're trying to crush everybody else's Discord, right? For me, I pay out to the traders. You get 4 traders. I give them money. I give them a percentage of the cut, and they just come and help you guys, right? So I just want to create a most amazing Discord full of like crazy traders, so that we all have an edge, man. And I just want to bury everybody's like expensive, super expensive, like crazy Discords. Like it's not like there's nothing wrong with charging for a service, but there's something wrong for charging for a service when you're trading and you're making money. Okay, as a trader, you should be making money, so you shouldn't have to charge like extortionate amounts to educate and to help people become good traders. Okay, and that's my feeling. And that's how we gave it away for free for 2 years. Okay? Because we want people to learn. We want people to grow. But there is an incentive if you do pay a little chunk of money, right? $20, $1 a day. Okay? That you take it a little bit more seriously. Okay? Just a little bit, which is important. So we have the amazing Discord. We'd love for you guys to come over and hang out. Wild Deuces, good morning to you. Little Fish, good morning to you as well, man. Hopefully you guys are having wonderful days. Oh my God, we got the splooshes in the chat. That is banned. That is an old habit there, Lunar Beaches Crypto. Be careful out there. We appreciate it. Alex O Crypto, what's going on? Crypto City, mad love to you, man. Jesse, good morning to you. Alexandra G. Lunar Beaches, Crypto in the chat. In my hero, Jeffrey Stone Cyper, Solid Fab VWAP. He's missing the VWAP. We're never missing the VWAP, my man. We're never missing the VWAP. Good to see you. In my hero, good to see you as well, man. See, that's why we don't buy the green wicks. We're not John Wick. We're not John Wick in this thing, okay? We're going to be patient here. I'm looking for lower. Doesn't mean we're going to get it. We could take the breakout right now. Woof. 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 Oh, man. I want to scalp this thing so bad. But I also want to protect the new people here who are just trading. Good to see you guys all here. Thank you for being here. Army Piper, good morning, my man. Hope you're doing well, my brother. Good to see you, man. Go check out the Piper Academy after this show. We also have a live show by one of our traders as well. Could you please jazz me if you have some separate time today? I could do jazz me possibly if we're not in the trades. Absolutely. Jazz me does look like it's going to pop. I think we are in a swing long in our Discord actually on Jazz me. So hopefully that does pop off. I lowered it to 98x. Let's go. Let's go. Otter gang. Al Jr. in the chat. What's going on, brother? Good to see you as well. Let's go, Aaron. Make sure you guys are saying good morning. Danny Kitchen, good morning to you as well. Mad love to all of you people. XRP on a little run. Absolutely. For all you XRP holders. Congratulations on your gains, man. So looking at this, we got it's 8:50. We got some time. So like I said, we're prioritizing the shorter term time frames, right? If we're looking at any higher term time frames, we're really putting ourselves at a disservice, right? So we can see up only is a real thing right now, but we get up into a 12-hour and 8-hour time frame. All we see is overextension and bearish divergence, okay? And that's the bear divs haven't been divin. So how can we justify bearish divergence until they start divin, meaning until they start breaking down? So for me right now, I'm finding the 1 hour to be very helpful. We can see that money is coming out, okay? Ever since we pushed up into this high here, we can see money is coming out. We're getting multiple bearish divergence. For me, I'm looking for one more sweep, to be honest. I love triples, okay? And triples always seem to pay really well. So if we get a triple high over here, we can definitely be looking for a little bit of a rejection, okay? However, right now we're a bit overextended. We do have a trigger wave suggesting that we can come down right now. So that's something that I'm very well aware of. We don't want to be just jumping happy-go-lucky into longs right now when we have anchor trigger wave coming into our thing with VWAP coming out, okay? We want to wait for something like this where we have a nice trigger down below, VWAP coming back in, so something like this and something like this, okay? That's what we want to see mostly to take advantage of a bigger move. That doesn't mean that this thing can't flatten out and turn up. This is very possible. It's just we're trying to trade this as an oscillation and price as an oscillation as well. So if we are looking at this in general, we can see that we have created liquidity on the way up here that we haven't come back for just yet. Right here, right here, right here, right here. So this is all areas of interest that we can be looking for, okay? So a little bit of patience. We don't want to just be, happy-go-lucky, press buy. We want to be aware that, hey, maybe we sweep down below in here. We get some sort of divergence and a push up, continuation out. But right now, it's looking a little bit overextended, in my opinion, this morning. So for me, I'm going to be a bit more patient than normal, where I'm looking for, maybe a reset on like a 24-minute where price can come down and then start to push back here. Okay, we are coming into VWAP as we speak, and we are looking for this thing to bounce, okay? We do have the low secured, still intact here. So we can be looking for a bounce, but remember what we just talked about. The higher time frames are going to prioritize over the lower ones. However, the lower ones are going to allow us to get a better entry. Now, this is volatile as heck, okay? Look at this little range is almost 1%, and we're snapping within like 5%. Like 5% moves on 3-minute candles is absolute insanity. So let's be cautious here. Make sure you guys are lowering your position size because it's going to be, a wild ride. You want to be able to give yourself a little bit more wiggle room on your stop loss. I'm typically trading half a position size right now, because if the position size is lower, it gives you more room, but you're also getting a bigger move out of the price action. Okay, so you're still going to make your nice chunk of money, right? Typically, I'm aiming for like a 1% to a 75.75% move, and we're getting that in one candle. So for me, halving my position size is giving me a little bit more wiggle room, a little bit more play in case you get that little scam wick that, right? So we need to be well aware of the conditions of the market right now. Everybody's super bullish. Everybody's buying like Bonk and Pepe and all these shit coins, right? We saw Pepe go to the moon yesterday. We made the Pepe call. Do not question the calls, okay? Look at the calls. Oh, man. So we gave the Pepe call. This was on the weekend. From here, okay, this was zero drawdown, and if you need the Pepe, I expected it to come back to all-time highs. This was a swing trade, and it has gone to an astronomical level, okay? So if we go in here and we go into our Discord and you look at our altcoin TA, we can go and look that I said Pepe swing trade right here, okay? There was your Pepe swing trade. Ta-da. Magical swing trade. Okay, this was when Pepe was way down here. We had very to little drawdown. If you want trades like that, if you want a community that's helping you out for the cheapest price around, I mean, this is where it's at, man. None of this like $2,000 to do my course that you can learn on YouTube. Okay, this is what it's all about right here, man. So you can see this beautiful trade we had. We had a lot of beautiful trades. We had BitTensor, we had TIA, we had Injective that weekend. But if we're looking at one that really stood out, it was this one. Okay, this zero to little drawdown. And I mean, however you want to measure it, okay? Some of you measure it from the top down. Some of you measure it from underneath up. That's totally up to you. Ask Mark Dutch. I'm sure he's much more efficient at doing those kind of things than I am, okay? If you know, you know. Oh, man. We just went there. It's too early. It's too early to go there this morning, man. Oh, man. Oh. Are you still in, Alex? Yes, I am still in the Pepe trade. I got I don't know, I think it's $500 still in it. We'll see if it ever just goes to the moon, but it's gone to the moon. It's gone to the moon. I'm still in the BitTensor trade as well, so it's pretty crazy. Pretty crazy. Good morning to you guys. Good morning to you guys. Massey, good morning. Good morning, Allset. Good to see you as well. My God. In Jasmine. Yeah, we gave a Jasmine call as well. I believe that was Kyle. If we were looking at Jasmine, we can look at Jasmine quickly. But we are here to trade. Right now, we're rolling over to VWAP. We'll see if we do get that bounce, okay? Make sure you guys are ready for this thing because I'm watching it on another screen as well. I believe Kyle gave this trade setup as well, looking for Jasmine for a breakout here. So something along, I'm not exactly sure his trade setup. I'm not in this trade. I took it initially, then got out. We did have a rejection back down, but he was looking at something like this for a continuation back up to all-time highs. Might be a play to consider if you guys are looking at this. Might give you guys a little bit of alpha here on the plays here. So looking at, where is it here? Where's the Jasmine trade setup? My guy, Jasmine macro breakout. Let's see if we do get it. Okay, so looking at this for Jasmine, you're getting privy information here, guys. Okay, this is not always, this is a shill for my Discord, but it's our Discord. Okay. If you do want to trade beside us, there is a BloFin link down below. I do appreciate if you guys do use the BloFin link. It does help out the channel as well. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. We only got 75 likes in here. I mean, I guess it's not very likable, when we're just here talking a bunch of smack and not trading. But looking at this, we swept up to the highs here, coming back, grabbing some liquidity. That wasn't a swing failure pattern. That was just a quick liquidity grab. As we can see, we're bouncing off VWAP here. We do have some good support, but we're zooming out a little bit here. Where are we looking? We're looking for price to come into here, really. If we're looking at key areas, we're looking for price to come down in here, getting everybody kind of stuck in here. We have this continuation pattern, 1, 2. We're looking for 3 down below here. So we're not necessarily jumping into a long right away this morning. We want to be, cautious. I guess it's cautious, but we want to remain smart here. We can see that we're getting a little bit overextended here on our market cipher. Let's take a look at the 12-minute. Yeah, a little bit of a trickle down here. Okay. Trickle down in price action versus sweeping fast price action. So this is typically bullish. This is setting up for like a trigger. Okay, you can see triple top here. Okay, triple top on our 12-minute. 1, 2, 3 with a trigger trying to push back. So we could see a little liquidity sweep and a bounce, but not something that I'm looking to jump into just off the hop. Okay, I would like to see a sweep and then a bounce. No sweep as of yet. So let's keep our eye on the prize, just waiting here. We do have VWAP. We haven't even retested VWAP yet. So let's see if we do get that test here. It's really stalling out. If we do get some confluence in this move here, we could be looking for a potential to jump into a long. But we're not going to jump the gun just to trade, okay? That's the wrong thinking. We want to remain level-headed. We had an amazing trading day yesterday. We don't want to be, we don't want to just be giving it all back, right? Like that's another thing too, is protecting yourself before you wreck yourself. You got to make sure that you are taking profits, but also securing the bag means taking trade setups, not taking what you think or what you feel, right? It's going to be a big difference maker into your P&L in the long run, okay? So we don't want to just FOMO, and we were talking about how green candles are bad candles right now. We want to look at red candles as opportunities to buy and green candles as something we do not want to chase, okay? We do not want to chase. We don't want to be a victim of, of the craziness right now. So let's see what goes on here. We can see we had a sweep of the highs here. Little trigger wave, so we came down, little sweep of the highs within here, coming in here. So I would look for something along the lines of this thing trying to roll over and then higher low here. That would be ideal. If not, we can look for this thing to push up here, break structure, okay, and then return and continue out, okay? But like we said, the 1 hour, the 24, they're all pointing down right now. We want to see that curvature back into the market. Okay, so if we roll over here, right, and bounce off the 0 line, whoop, and then bounce, that would be ideal. Looks like we might get a little push right here. Let's see if we get it. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We got 319 people in here. God bless you guys. Thank you for being here. Please like the video and subscribe if you are new. We're here live trading Monday, Tuesday, starting Wednesday soon, Thursday, Friday, and onward. We're always here trying to help you guys remain profitable, trading Bitcoin in the mornings. This is what we do, man. This is how we make a living. We've been full-time since last August, trying to help people change their lives. We do have an amazing Discord if you want to take your trading a little bit further with us. We'd love to have you. Thank you guys so much for being here. Looking at this price action right now, it's looking a little choppy, trying to get everybody overexcited. I guarantee you on this little push-up, people were buying this thing, right? So we don't want to be a victim of that. I'm looking for this. We'll see if we get it, but we do have some key areas that we're well aware of down below us. Yeah, this 24-minute looks like it's still coming out. Let's see if we got... I like the 12, though. The 12 is looking a lot better, right? This would set us up, but, a 12 giving us an anchor trigger wave is much better than just an anchor wave. Okay, so let's be patient within this region here. We do have liquidity down below us, so we are waiting. Trading is waiting, and we do have some key levels. We lost this key level down here, so if anything, we're coming to visit down below here. If we're just looking at volume in general of this range, we can see that we do have some key areas that we have bounced off quite nicely. So right now you can see there is a bit of support right here. So we're trying to hold this, but it does look like we're going to roll over. And then our next kind of level would be the value area high and the golden pocket down below us in here. So that would be the ideal place right around 89,000. Let's call it 90,000 to be safe. That's where we'd be definitely looking for, a reaction on price where we can possibly get long on, okay? But patience will prevail, especially in the morning. You know, we get ready before 9:30, right before market opens. A lot of people don't even trade. There's a sweep. There's a sweep, bullish divergence coming in. Bull divs, push out, close above high. Bull divs. Are we going to get bull divs here? Give us the bull divs. No. Push up. We got bull divs here. Bull divs into VWAP. Not even touching VWAP, man. This is sketchy. We're not getting long here yet. Not even getting long here yet. We might want to get long, but not yet. Not yet. Patience. Push Bitcoin. You see volume came in there a little bit. A little bit of volume. I want to see another push. One more. Give me a push, baby. Oh, man. It just reminds me of the birth of my child 3 months ago. My son's 3 months old yesterday, man. It's incredible, man. Time's flying, man. The guy's ready to start crawling and stuff. He's already starting to like try and speak. It's so cool. Oh, man. It's beautiful becoming a dad. First time dad. A father like no otter. That's me. Thank you, everybody, for being here. 350 people in here. Thank you guys so much for supporting the channel. Let's get at it, man. Looking for Bitcoin to have a little bounce here. Let's see what's going on in the chat. Make sure you guys are saying good morning, all you new people, all you lurkers. I see the lurkers in here. Make sure you're saying good morning and where you're coming from. I just seen the whole stream fill up full of people, man. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Mad love to everybody in here. Darren says, but we at local value area low for now. It's a long day, long all day if you manage risk. Let's go, Darren. Let's go, man. Chowski, what's going on, man? Good to see you. Airdropper, lurk. There it is. But I'm impatient. Alex says Lunar Beaches Crypto. My guy, good morning to you. Hopefully everybody is doing well. All set. Good morning to you, Quazim. Good morning to you as well. My God, look at all these new people in here. Thank you guys for being here. 12, what's going on, man? Good to see you as well. Good morning. Allison Jourdi, how far down do you think this retrace on Pepe will be? Exclamation marks. We don't yell in the morning, Allison, but I do think Pepe will retrace after the listing. But it's bullish AF, man. I wouldn't fade Pepe just yet. Be careful with the fading of the frog coin. Just do it. Worth every single dollar, says Massey. Come into the Discord. Are you still in? Yes, sir. Let's go. Do you give trades every day? Do we give trades every day? I mean, we give ideas and setups every day. We don't give, amongst us, there's probably, Brewberry gives a lot of setups too, man. If you go through, you can find something every single day in ours. We got Kyle has been given big trade setups. Thesis is sick right now. Brewberry gave you guys about 15 setups the other day. I gave you guys a whole bunch of setups the other day. Thesis is sick right now, but he will be back. I've talked to him, and he gives trade setups as well all the time. He's very active when he's feeling better. Lots of trade setups, lots of ideas. So I would say every day you probably get more than a trade setup every day, but more on certain days than others. When the trade setups are there, they're given, right? That's the thing too, is you can't just be forcing trades on people. You got to protect the new people as well, which is very important. We don't want to give you trades that are going to get you absolutely wrecked if you don't manage your risk properly, right? So look at the pushback here, bouncing off VWAP, pushing up right now. Oh man, breaking structure to the upside. Double bottom here. Oh man, this is screaming to get long. We got market open soon. One more dip down would be beautiful. One more dip down. I don't think it's going to give it to us, okay? Getting above the high here. That sweep of the lows, retesting here. Are we getting long, guys and gals? We got 300 people in here. Thank you guys so much for being here. If we get to 10,000 this is the joke. My goal is 5,000 subscribers by January. But if we get to 10,000 subscribers by the end of January, I will shave my damn beard. That is what we're doing. So if you guys want to show this out to your friends, tell them to subscribe so we get a 13. I don't know. I think I would go into negative years. I'd look negative 10 or something if I shave my beard. Don't do it to me, guys. Do it to me, but don't do it to me. I mean, that'd be I'd probably lose subscribers. All the ladies who subscribe would definitely leave. The only one left would maybe be Alexandra G. Maybe, if I'm lucky. Look at this thing. Look at this thing. One more sweep, baby. Give me one more sweep. Good to see you guys here. WizDream, so are you gonna take this trade this time? We'll see, WizDream. We'll see, man. We'll see, man. We don't wanna FOMO and we want confirmation, right? So it's very important that we do wait for comp. I liked it already, but I'm not sure. Let's go. What? Israel, may I ask what your win rate is? Depending on the setup. I mean, some of my strategies 70, some of them 85, depending on the confluence of the trade and the environment of the market. So I was born in a bear market, so I'm much better at shorting than I am longing. But over this past year or so, it's been very much a long game. So it ebbs and flows. But I know my win rate recently has been like, what were we looking at? I think it was like 78%, which was pretty sweet. Kyle's is like 87%, which is incredible. But a win rate is important, but not as important as you think. Even Eric Crown has like a strategy where like your stop loss is so tight that really you can win 1 out of 5 trades and still be profitable, right? So win rate is important, but it's also managing your risk is in my opinion the most important thing for longevity in trading, especially if you're new to trading. You got to give yourself a chance, right? You got to give yourself a chance. If you got $1,000 account, you shouldn't be risking, $200 per trade, right? That's 5 trades, right? 5 trades to learn how to trade. Are you kidding me? Right? So I think people come in very unrealistic, and hopefully as a community, in our Discord, we kind of preach risk management, how to manage risk, how to manage position size, right? You don't all start with $100,000 account, right? I started with $1,000 account, then to a $10,000, then to $100,000. It was very much a progressive thing, and there's a psychological aspect that comes with it as well, right? So you gotta be counting for all of these things, okay? So it's very important, but hopefully as a community, we can definitely help people on their trading journeys, okay? Like I will take altcoin trades, but it's like I use 10x leverage and like $100, right? Like it's very much like just an extra play, right? Because Bitcoin is king. Remember, let's remember that always, right? Good morning, WizDream Seymour, Liddy, what's going on, my man? One of our most active people in our Discord too. Good morning, Seymour Liddy. He doesn't like the liquidity recently. Mad love to you. Crypto Zen, do you read the order book? We're not a order book reader. No, we are not. One Harmony, good morning to you. Looking like this thing wants to push right now as we speak, coming in to market open. My God, it is 911. Shorty fire burning on the dance floor. Oh, man. We got the Dixie ripping to the moon, okay? We got some things going on in the market. The Dixie flying. The S&P hitting 6K. My God, incredible. We have the NASDAQ flying as well in a nice flag here looking to break out. Okay, so the markets are looking strong, however, cooling off a little bit, but you can see a lot of buying upcoming on the NASDAQ. So pretty impressive for, this Trump pump, but that dollar, man, once this dollar starts to crash and that dominance, looking for that dominance to top out and come back down, man, and give us some altcoin degeneracy plays. Look at Bitcoin, absolutely ripping right now. Might be a consideration to get long. Nothing as of yet. Double bottom in here. Looking for a continuation. Nice push up. Nice push up on Bitcoin. Will it continue to push? Will it continue to push? Let's see what's going on with the Bitcoin right now. What a move. What a move, man. What a day to be in crypto. 326 people in here, 112 likes. I think we can do better than that, my friends. Thank you guys for being here. My God, look at all these people in here, man. I'm not used to this. I'm used to just streaming to my mom, man. This is crazy. Good morning. Good morning. Make sure you guys are saying good morning. There is a troll in here. Always trolls, man. We love trolls, man. You know, it's all a free advertisement, man. If you want to be an angry beaver, that's fine. We're happy-go-lucky otters in this place, but if you want to be an angry beaver, that's totally up to you, man. Free speech is important. How do you identify accumulation, manipulation, distribution? That is way too much to talk about for a trading session, but we could talk about that in the Discord absolutely when we are looking for some smart money concepts and how to identify these things. Okay, it's very important to understand, but it's not always easy to explain, especially when we're trying to live trade right now. John Woods, thank you for the question, though. I believe you are in the Discord. We can talk about that. And also, if you are in the Discord, you can go into Brewberry's stream, which is after this stream, and he is more of a smart money concept master of all things accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. TV, moin. Good morning to you. 12, good morning. Jason Root, good morning. Lurker from Minneapolis. Let's go. Let's go, Minneapolis. Shout out to you, man. Shout out to you guys. Looking like a little rejection off of our trend line here. Looking for a continuation up. Will we get it? 91,000, baby. 91,000 acting as resistance right now. We'll see if we do. I would like to see one more sweep down. Nothing as of yet. Okay, no trade yet. Just waiting. Trading is waiting. Trading is waiting. Doggy Dog, lurking. Good to see you as well. DV, good morning to you. 913, man. Good morning, just lurking. Good morning, just lurking. Revisit of previous highs here. We got support here. We have flip support looking for continuation. Ooh, coming in right now. Coming in right now. Are we going to get long? Oh, that is the question, isn't it? See, I don't like the exhaustion wicks up top here. I do not like them. If we go on a 3-minute, right? We are on a 1 minute. Look at 3-minute wicks. I don't like the wicks up top here. VWAP's holding, pushing up. No, I'm waiting. I would like to see this more than anything. The triple bottom in here. Sign me up, baby. Sign me up. Right around 90,500. That's what I'm looking for. We'll see if we get it. Oh, man. Price action's wild, man. It's so good. It's so good, man. With these moves, you just got to be very cautious with direction, right? You got to be patient. It's not going to make it easy for us, okay? Let's be very clear on that. It's not going to be easy. We want to put our entry where people are putting their stop losses. Where's everybody stop loss right now? Everybody's buying this low here, okay? Everybody's buying this low. Their stop losses are right here, okay? So that's where I'm looking. I don't know about you guys. We can flip this and continue out. That's very possible. And guess what? We missed the trade. Who cares? Okay, there's going to be more. We set up our trades according to where we think, people are, where they think they're safe. You think you're safe in here? You think you're safe like this right now? They're shaking. They're shaking like a leaf. They're shaking like a leaf. We're looking for VWAP. Snap to VWAP. Bounce, baby. That's what I'm looking for. Look at the exhaustion on this wick. Look at the exhaustion on this wick. Come down to Papa, baby. Come on. We love a dark, beautiful red candle coming into our beautiful VWAP sweepy zone. VWAP's in at 562. Let's see if we get it. Let's see if we get it. Sweep it, baby. Take all these people's money. Take all their money. Send them to the trash can. Oh, man, that's cruel. It's cruel, but that's what we're looking for. That's what we're looking for. Is that a full sweep? That looks like a full sweep. Come on, push a little bit more, Bitcoin. Come and grab the liquidity. My God. Push. Push down, baby. 12-minute. Yeah, still room. Still room, still time. Still room, still time. Still room, still time. Oh, man. Is that all you're giving me? that really all you're gonna give me? Now you're gonna pump. Really? Really? No way. No way. You got more in the tank. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on, Bitcoin. Come down. Come down. Come on. Come on. We ain't there yet. We ain't there yet. Let's go. Jeez, this 12-minute looks juicy, though. Mm-hmm. No, I'm not jumping in this. I'm not jumping in this. I may be wrong. You guys might be right. You got a 1% move back up to the highs here. Jeez. This is crazy price action. Jeanette, good morning to you. No trade says Tradwick Racing. Hit the like. Good morning. Just lurking. Thank you for being here, Tyson. Is the premium Discord, do you put entry, stop loss, and take profit? Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Absolutely. 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 So like yesterday, for example, we were looking for a bounce off of a key area. If you're looking at my TA, you would have gotten a trade setup looking like this. Trade signal alert, BTC coming into this area here. This is the reasoning, yada, yada, yada. Everybody looking at that. Here we go. We'll see if we get it. We didn't get it yesterday, okay? It didn't come into our key area, okay? It continued to drop, okay? It continued to drop. Right? But you get a play-by-play as we're going. I'm like, okay, this thing doesn't want to stop, right? Then we give you more key levels, more bounce levels, more bounce levels, key levels as well. Okay, walk you through it even. Okay, so even though we didn't take the trade, we continued to update you guys. We continued to let you know what we were looking at. This is going to rip, isn't it? This is going to rip. It's going to rip. Let's go, Bitcoin, rip. See, this candle might have been the one right there. That probably was the one. I wanted this to come lower. We didn't get it. We didn't get it. That's okay. We're not chasing price right now. Jesus. Bitcoin's about to pop. I can see you guys pressing the FOMO button. I can see you guys marketing in. I see you. Stop it. Stop it. Stop marketing in. TAO in a buy zone again. We might have to take a look at that one, Quantum Reality. Maybe we look at that in the Discord. Thank you for pointing that out, man. I think AI is going to do really well. Join the free Discord. Consider the paid one. Yeah, absolutely. If you guys want to trade alongside us, please use the BloFin link as well. Doge wants to run. Of course it does. The Department of, what is it called? Department of, I don't know. Doge is everywhere. Eradication. Department of Government Efficiency. Right? We're going to pump, says Peter. Let's go, Peter. Mad love to you, Peter. Thank you for being here. Airdropper price broke VWAP on Maxi. Let's go. This does look very pumpy right now. It does look very pumpy. We do have PPI data coming out at 9:30, my friends. Don't get overexcited. I'm telling you. I'm telling you right now. If we get some bad... Did we get the PP data? We already got the PP data? Oh, daylight savings. Daylight savings. That's not fair, man. We're in Canada. We just fell backwards, man. So this was already done. Okay. Okay, I see you, PP data. Sorry about that, guys. This should be at UTC -3 then. No, UTC minus 5. Sorry. That's my bad. PP data already out. Break even, which is fine. Look at this. Look at this thing. All you guys pressing buy up here. Goodbye to your stop loss, right? Higher low coming in. Did you guys all press buy? Please don't tell me you pressed buy there. Please don't tell me you pressed buy there. I did not press buy there. You guys bought up top here, didn't you? Didn't you? I can smell your FOMO. Eventually, you're going to be able to smell things through like your microphone and stuff. It's going to be absolutely disgusting. Like cooking shows. Cooking shows. Smell the broth. Then Martha Stewart farts or something. Anyone took a long? Nope. No trade as of yet. I told myself I was done gambling. I blew a $1,000 account last night and kept moving my stop loss. Crazy. I need help with not over trading. Yep, it's Tyson, it's common. It's common. People think they're right. It's better to admit you're wrong and continue to trade, okay? It's going to take a lot of painful hits until you realize that you'd rather take a $100 loss. You got to have risk management. It's all about risk management. You have to go to school with a certain amount of lunch money. Okay? You're never allowed to change this. That should be your number one rule. My number one rule is how am I feeling, right? If I'm sick or if I'm, if I'm pissed off or whatever, I'm not trading. But after that, it's like manage risk, trade the plan. Don't trade what you think. Okay. But you need to manage risk. You need to have longevity. Blowing a $1,000 account by moving a stop loss is unacceptable. And you know that, right? We all know it, but we do it because we think it's going to go the other way. We think it's going to. Why not take the L right here? Take the L right here. Okay. $100 loss. Now we set up another trap right here. Price comes back into here. Okay. Bounces. Boom. Up. We make $300 here. Boom. 3-1, right? We just made $200. Isn't that much better? And you do that over and over again. Okay. And you get better and you get better and you get better. It's way better. Way better. You need to be a good loser here. Nobody is, market wizard 5,000. You're not Harry Pothead here. We're here to manage risk, probabilities. Nobody knows up or down. It's just probabilities. We want to have, 6 to 60%, 6 out of 10, win rate. But we also want to be able to lose 4, 5, 6, 7 times for every win. Okay. You also want to have good R multiple. R multiple is so important. Okay. Anyone take the long? No. Push Bitcoin. Let's go TV. Push it. Push it for TV, man. Push it. 91,000. Trying to get above 91,000. Thank you, everybody, for being here. 300 people in the live stream, man. This is incredible. 120 likes. Thank you guys for liking, subscribing. We're on our way to 5,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. Look at the push here. Look at the push. Here comes Bitcoin, baby. Here it comes. The big push on Bitcoin. Big push on Bitcoin. 5 minutes to market opens. Interesting. I'm waiting. Trading is waiting. I'm still waiting. No trade as of yet. Looking for this thing to come back into this area in here. We'll see if we do get it. If not, it takes off. We look for a higher low. We look for a possible way to take advantage of this price action in here. Nothing as of yet. Going into the 1 minute. Look at the chop. Okay, this is not something I want to trade. Continuing to chop throughout here. I just want to see that SFP, man. Come into here. Whoop, boop. Off we go. That's what I want to see. Doesn't mean we're going to get it. Let's get rid of this trend line. This is distracting me. Okay, looking inverse head and shoulders, trying to push up right now. On the 1 minute, this is very degenerate, by the way. So don't get it twisted here. We are looking for continuation. We can see an uptrend forming here quite nicely. Sorry, right here. Looking for this thing to hold. Okay, continuing to push, breaking out of this downtrend. Aggressive right now. Bitcoin looking aggressive, looking like it wants to push. Come up for some liquidity up at these highs. We'll see if we do get it. Let's go. Push Bitcoin. Push it for the people in the stream, man. Pushing the people for the stream. Is the stream okay? We got 300 people in here. Wow, that's crazy. Snap it, baby. Gonna catch the angry beaver. Let's go. Crunk. Good morning to you. Massey. Good morning. Bully Berry. Good morning to you as well. Tyson. Bitcoin. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Pushing. Bitcoin's pushing, baby. No trade as of yet. Yeah, there's some lag, buffering. Is it still buffering? It seems good on my side. Are we done buffering? Is everything okay, guys? Everything okay, please? Let me know. Video is choppy. Are we done being choppy? It should be okay. YouTube is not receiving enough video to maintain smooth streaming. What? Let me know. Is it okay? Let me know in the chat, please. I would really appreciate you guys letting me know. We got fan funding, man. Thank you guys. Retro Mike Tech. God bless you, bro. Thank you for the nice chat. Look at this thing. Push, baby. Push. Your stream keeps pausing nonstop. That doesn't make sense to me. I'm FOMOing the cooking channel right now. Let's go, Bitcoin. Pushing to the moon. When will it stop? Nobody knows, but look at it go, baby. It's gone. Maybe we should have got long. For me, the confirmation wasn't there. It was probably that one wick that came down right here. That was the wick that got away. Looking for a retest of previous highs. We'll see if we do get it here. Coming into market open. The live keeps pausing every few seconds. Fix the stream. Stream settings. Why is it doing this? Not receiving enough video to maintain smooth streaming. That's not cool, man. Why do I have such... Maybe it's Mr. Justin trying to shut down the stream. That's not cool, man. We should be okay. Look at this thing pump, baby. Bitcoin to the moon. Doesn't want to stop. Where it stops, nobody knows. Nobody knows. Up only. Up only. Market is open. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Market's opening up. Let's see how it looks right now as we're speaking. Wow, I can see this thing is lagging. That's not cool. Market's open. Taking a look at the S&P. Which way did we go? We gapped up, continuing to push here on the S&P. This looks strong for an open. Continuing to push here. Bitcoin ripping to the upside. For those who FOMO'd in, congratulations. You are in the money this morning. Don't be chasing price, anybody. Please be safe out there. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel, smashing those like buttons. I don't know what's going on. YouTube is not receiving enough video to maintain. There's too much alpha being dropped here for video to be maintained. Push it real good. Maureen, if anyone is on the fence about joining the Discord, do it. I joined 2 days ago, and my best crypto purchase ever. Thank you, Alex, and all the gang. Maureen, God bless you. Thank you so much for the kind words. We love having you. Hopefully we can help you on your trading journey. And congratulations on the beautiful greenhouse and all the goods, man. That's incredible. That's incredible. Okay, let's not chase the price here. Looking for a retest back into previous highs here. We'll see if we do get it, but this thing is absolutely ripping to the upside, okay? Getting above here. Nonetheless, let's see if we do get a retest of previous highs. We're looking to get onto the trend. We're not looking to fight the trend. Okay, looking for this thing to continue to push. But right now, up only is the way. Up only is the way. I'm looking for 92,200. See if we do come back into this area here. Very, very aggressive push out on Bitcoin. We'll see if we do get a little retracement, coming back and grabbing some liquidity before heading upwards. But this thing is ripping to the upside. I might take a little stab at this. Not just yet, though. Let's just not FOMO in. Okay, be careful out there. He is 5 minutes behind. Maple syrup slowing the internet in Canada. Yeah, absolutely. It's pretty annoying, to be honest. I don't know what is going on with the stream. I continuously try to fix this thing. It continues to do No more buffering, but 5 minutes out. Okay. Wow, this thing is just parabolic, baby. I don't know if we just buy it, but I'm not gonna just buy it, man. I can't justify just buying it. Right, we're coming up into resistance right now as we speak, getting everybody a little bit bullish. We'll see if we do come back down, looking to jump into this crazy uptrend. We'll see if we do get the retracement back in here. Come on, Bitcoin. Wow, here it goes. Bitcoin ripping, baby. Ripping to the upside. Wow. Little stall out here. Now it's continuing to push. The FOMO is real on the Bitcoin price. Who is feeling the FOMO? Put a 1 in the chat. My God. Wow. Wow, this is crazy. Are we supposed to mark it in or what? Nah, I don't think so, but I mean this thing is up only right now as we're speaking. Wow. Pretty crazy price action here. Maybe we look to get in on this volume area in here. Mad love to everybody in the live stream. Thank you guys for being here. Coming up into some resistance as we speak right now, but this thing is absolutely ripping to the upside. Might look to just fire off a little long right now, but I'm not jumping in just yet. Let's be patient. Let's be patient. Wait for a retrace back in. Waiting for the retrace back in. Wrecking the bulls, wrecking the bears. Remember, looking for this retrace back in here. We'll see if we get it. See if we get it. Come on, Bitcoin, come back in. 91,500. Looking for 91,500. Going into our 30-second chart. 91,500-ish. Right in here. We'll see if we get it. For a continuation of this push. This is wild, man. What a time to be in Bitcoin, baby. Baby. Ooh, baby. My God, what an absolute ripper to the upside. We've lost a bunch of people. Stream all good over here. Push it. Push it, baby. Let's see if we're going to continue to push. This is coming into our resistance level that we had marked out on our chart. Stream looking better. Haha. Stream is great. No issues here. So maybe it's some other people's internet. Can we blame them? Are we allowed to blame them? I don't know. Pushing up, pushing down. Bitcoin doesn't know which way to go. It's excited right now, but we'll see if it does want to continue to push. This is pretty wild. Thank you guys for being here, supporting the channel. God bless every single one of you guys. Looking to get into a possible Bitcoin long right now, but this is, trapping the bulls, trapping the bears. Got to be very cautious with anything right now. Got to be safe out there. Coming down to some support levels in here. We'll see if we do bounce out of here. No trade as of yet, man. Bitcoin is absolutely on a tear. Wow. That was a 1% up and a 1% down move. 1% up, 1% down. Pretty crazy. Bitcoin trying to push past 92,000. We'll see if it does get there. This is looking kind of scary right now. Probably coming down. Like we said this morning, you're looking for VWAP. Will we get VWAP? We'll have to wait and find out, man. But this is absolutely insane in the membrane. My God, Bitcoin ripping both directions. Coming into VWAP right now. I hope you guys didn't press buy up here, man. I hope you guys didn't. No trade as of yet. Just waiting. Trading is waiting. Patience. Okay, you don't want to be a victim of this price action. My God, look at this. Ripping to the downside. Insane price action. That looks pretty good to me. We might look to get long right here. But this is insane, guys. Look at the dump is happening as we speak. My God. What an insane dump to the downside. Coming back and grabbing a whole bunch of liquidity. My God. Looking to get long possibly here. Nice sweep. We'll see. Might fire off a little long here. Let's get long. I don't know. Half a position size. Remember, not overextending ourselves. Not overextending ourselves. Gonna take a little nibble here. Gonna take a little nibble here. Ooh-wee. We're in. We're in. Can we bounce? Oh my God, this is crazy. This is absolutely crazy. I guarantee so many people got wrecked on that. I guarantee so many people got wrecked on that. $90,800 looking to take profits. 90,000. Okay, retest the previous lows. Nope. Man, this thing is crazy. I'm closing it. Closing it. I'm out. I'm out with like, I probably pay more in fees there. I'm out. My God, this is crazy. Let's go. Are we going to take another stab? My God, wrecking the Bulls and the Bears. Everybody getting absolutely decimated on that move. This is why you wait, man. This is why you wait. My God, that's a lot of damage. That's a lot of damage. Everybody looking to get long here? I don't know. I'd be out. I'd be out of this trade. I wouldn't be taking this. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the gang. My stream is way off. My God. Sorry about that, guys. I can't help the stream right now. The stream is absolutely shockingly shite. Crazy shit on BingX now. Wickety. Yeah, absolutely. It's going to pump now, most likely. Coming down into our golden pocket bounce level. Wow, what an amazing move for Bitcoin. What an amazing move for Bitcoin. Absolutely wreckage, man. Wreckage across the board. We said it looked a bit toppy here. It looked a bit toppy coming into our golden pocket as we speak. We're looking at 90,000 for a potential bounce. We could take a possible swing trade here. But nothing. I'm looking coming back down to our special level here, right around 90,000. We'll see if we do get it. Wow, what an amazing sweep. Sweeping up all the rubbish down below, coming down into our special level, 89,400. That's where I'm looking. 89,400 possible bounce. We'll see if we get it. Possible bounce, 89,400 right in here. Come on, Bitcoin. Push it. Push it. 89,400. No trades. Just that one. Broke. I mean, I think I lost money on fees, but that's about it. Jesus. Holy smokes, what a dump. Coming into our key level here, 89,400. Looking for a reaction. We'll see if we get it. Getting a bounce off of support right now, volume support. Thank you, everybody, for being here, being part of the channel. Rip the long, swing it, sweep the Bears. Let's go. Let's go. 89,400. Looking at 89,400 key level here. Can we bounce? That is the question. Refresh your stream, Alex. Not exactly. How do I just refresh the stream? What do I have to do that? Might be the dump down to $8,500. Wow, that would be crazy, wouldn't it? Big rollover here. We had the sell wall. We didn't take the sell wall. Obviously, this is an SFP of the high. As you can see, you swept the high and then you dumped it on everyone. Look at this. You came all the way up here for the shorts. You came up, you swept them, and then you ripped it on their head. Insane, insane price action this morning. Don't get caught. That's why you don't overtrade in these circumstances. Absolutely insane in the membrane. Mad love to every single one of you guys. Thank you guys for being here, supporting the channel. My God, who's in a long right now? Who's in a short? How do you guys feel after that? That was pretty crazy. Thank you, everybody, for being here and supporting the channel. I know we've had a little bit of streaming issues today, but God bless you guys. Thank you guys so much for being here. It's an absolute doozy of a stream this morning. My God, my God, my God. What an insane, insane morning. I do thank you guys for everybody for being here. No trade as of yet. Coming into our key level, looking for that bounce, continuing to push up here. Mad love to every single one of you guys. No delay now. Okay, so people are saying there's no delay. Some people are saying there is a delay. I don't know which one to believe. I believe that this is I think we're good here on the stream. So took a $1 loss. Let's go. That's it. That's it. Classic liquidation hunt. That's the one, man. That's the one. Grabbing liquidity, right? That's why you got to pay yourselves early. Right? This is probably going to come down for a lot more, right? Probably going to come down for a lot more. If we're looking at this, right? What are we seeing? We see liquidity down below here at 88,000. Okay? We got 88,000. We got 87. We got liquidity at 86. A big old sweep, dumping out everybody, cleaning out all the garbage, and then pushing back up. That would be ideal. Trading's not meant to be easy. We'll see if this thing does want to continue to go down, 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 down. God bless you guys. Thank you guys so much for being here. What an amazing stream. I think I did a good job at protecting you guys, not telling you guys to get long on that thing. We were looking for the retest. I took a little, I would say it was an L. If we're looking at it here, it was an 8% move, and I made $78 with $20 fees. So I made $40 this morning. And that's it. And that's it. Thank God that's it, man. Thank God we got out of that trade. That is it, man. It's been a wild one. It's been a wild one. Big old dump coming here for Bitcoin. Guys, thank you so much for being here. Sorry about the laggy stream. I mean, I can't control the internet. Canada, Justin Trudeau, all that fun stuff. So we're here. Join us in the Discord. Thank you guys so much for being here. Happy Thursday to every single one of you guys. Have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day. If you are part of the Discord, go over and check out Brewberry. He's live there. Or go and check out Army Piper, another place where you could go. Thank you guys so much. God bless you guys. Have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day. Take care. Peace out. Much love. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pants full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame, with a lot of hate. Get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof of building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. But a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trader, get another